And then let's move on to our review from last week. So last week we talked about Nāwai Ho'olu'u. We played that game. Talking about colors. We learned how to say what our favorite color was, and also how to say describe things using color. So I should show you this video. This is from a while ago, but if you were able to if you were able to do the homework, then this is what it was.
Ula ula mele mele oni polu ele ele akala ala ni ke o ahina hina oma o maku e mahalo. Here we go. Ula ula ka I hoi ho kukui, which is a candle. Mele mele kale, to say garland. Honi ka omole vai, which is my purple flask. Holu ka uluna, which is my blue pillow. Ele ele ke kakini, which is a black sock. Akala ke ka'a, which is a pink Barbie car. Alani ka umeke, which is an orange bowl. Ke'o ka pepa, which is white. Ahina hina ka lipine, which is a gray ribbon. O ka puke, which is a green book. And makue ka laoho, which is the brown hair. Okay. Awesome.
Okay, there you go. So thank you, Melissa and Azure. All right, so two of the questions that we had last week were He aha kawai ho'olu'u o ko lauoho, what is the color of your hair? And He aha kawai ho'olu'u o ko maumaka, what is the color of your eyes? Okay, so if you guys remember how to answer it, then please answer the first one. He aha kawai ho'olu'u o ko lauoho. Easy stuff being color ko'u lauoho. Okay, color ko'u lauoho. Dale, yeah, I'll check into that. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, good. And I'm gonna call on some of you to read your answers. So we're gonna start with Pi'ilani. He aha kawai ho'olu'u o ko lauoho.
Maku'e ko'u lauoho.
Can you ask that same question to Catherine up?
Hey Catherine, he aha kawai ho'olu'u o ko lauoho?
Ku'e ko'u lauoho. Amen.
Ahina. Okay, can you ask, we'll jump to Barbara DeBarish.
Barbara, he aha kawai ho'olu'u o ko lauoho?
Maku'e ahina ko'u lauoho.
Thank you. And then if you can ask Lori Lyon.
Hey Lori, he aha kawai ho'olu'u o ko lauoho?
Makua e ko'u lauoho.
Thank you. Yeah, and you can ask everybody, and then everyone's going to turn their mic after you ask. Okay. Lori, you can ask.
I'm going to ask everybody. Okay. He aha ke waho olu'u o ko lauoho.
Okay. Go.
Lauoho.
Ele ko'u lauoho.
Thank you. Great. Okay, so then moving to our eye color. So same thing. He aha kawai ho'olu'u o ko maumaka. What is the color of your eyes, or what is the color of your eyes? Easy stuff, because all you got to do is put color ko'u maumaka again. Okay. Cool. Awesome. All right, so I'm going to call on some of you. Pukawa, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou mau maka.
Uli uli ko'u mau maka.
Mahalo. Can you call on Anela Hano Hano?
E anela hano hano. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu ko mau maka.
Maku'e ko'u mau maka.
Mahalo. If you can call, ask Angel Bolton.
E aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou mau maka.
Makoe ko'u mau maka.
Mahalo. And Angel, if you can ask everyone.
Everyone, he a'a ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou mau maka.
Makue ko'u mau maka.
Ko'u mau maka.
Okay, good. Mahalo. All right, so we have that. Now we're going to be going into adding a little bit more, and we kind of touched on this last week, but I just wanted to do some more practice on this. So how we said ko'u lauoho or ko'u mau maka, now we're going to translate some of these sentences using different objects. So hopefully you remember some of these objects from last class, but if you don't, it's totally fine. I'm going to give you guys a minute to translate the 4 of these sentences and just translate whatever you can. So even if you don't know how to say shirt, you can just go color. You guys know the colors, hopefully. So green and white, and then just put shirt in English. Okay? So I'll give you guys a minute to translate in the chat. If you can do that privately, please, so no one can see. Thank you. Minute starting now. And while you guys go through them, we're just gonna read them. So ula ula ko'u papale, uli uli a'alani ko'u mu'umu'u. Remember the a shows multiple, so there's going to be, that's the and in this case. Ele ele a ke'o ke'o ko'u lauoho, which you guys should know, this mea, this thing. And then my aloha shirt is green and white. A little bit trickier. So see if you can get that. Okay, good. So far. We have about 15 seconds left, so whatever you can. Whatever you can translate, please do. And then I'll be calling on a few of you.
Grandma? Elijah just called Grandma.
Thanks, Elijah. Okay, so let's call on the first one, and that's going to be Allison Milham. Can you read the number 1 in Hawaiian and then your translation?
Ula ula ko'u papale, and it's my hat is red, I think.
Yep, my hat is red. That's perfect. Okay, next, number 2. I'm gonna jump to Ethan. Can you read the Hawaiian and your English?
Uli uli alani ko'u mu'umu'u, and that is my dress is blue and orange.
Okay, good. And remember uli uli, good thing you said blue, but there's another word which is polu, but this is the more native, older terminology for blue. Okay. Number 3, I'm going to ask Amanda Jimenez, if you can read yours. I read the Hawaiian and your English. Sorry, I think you might. There you go.
My hair is black and white.
Yep. So okay, my hair is black and white. And who got the last one? Oh, there you go. Berta Lee, if you can read yours. So the English is my aloha shirt is green and white. And what is your Hawaiian?
Oma o ke'o ko'u aloha papule.
Very close. So it's gonna just be
okay.
Aloha, but you got the right words.
Okay.
Palule aloha. Good. Okay. Good job, everyone who just answered. Okay, so this time we're just going to turn it into a negative. And when we do that, it's pretty simple. All we got to do for these things is just add ʻole to the beginning of the sentence. ʻole meaning no, not. Okay, so that's where, you know, if you want to say the car is not pink, which, you know, I don't know if those sentences normally come up. Normally you do the positive when you describe something, not the negative, but just for you guys, for your information, this is how we would do it. Okay, so yeah, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to translate these in the chat. But just remember, ʻole plus color, ko'u for my, and mea is thing. Okay, so we'll give you guys another minute or so to translate these. And while you do that, I'll read them. ʻAʻole ʻakala, ko'u ka'a. ʻAʻole poni a mele mele, ko'u hale. ʻAʻole kaumaha, ko'u makuahine. So you see how we took out color and we put in descriptive, ano, kahulu, whatever we want to call it. So that's the same thing, you know, because we can describe with color. We can also describe with an adjective. And then lastly, my father is not happy. See if you guys can do that. Okay. Close, not purple for the house one. It's another color. Okay. Okay, good. I'm going to call in the first one, and then I'm going to call in Tobias, if you can please answer.
Okay. The first one, kumu?
Yeah.
ʻAʻole ʻakala ko ka'a. My car is not pink.
My car is not pink. Good job. Okay. I'm going to call in.
Mahalo.
Yeah, mahalo. I'm going to call in Lucy Ohana, if you can answer the second one.
ʻAʻole poni a mele mele ko'u hale. My house is not yellow and orange, or orange and yellow.
Close. Barney's color.
Ka'ea, what is poni?
Yeah.
Purple.
Purple. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kaea. And then number 3, I'm going to call on second page. Let's go to Kiani. Can you read it and translate, please?
ʻAʻole kaumaha ko'u makuahine. My mother is not sad.
Yes, good. So my mother is not sad. Again, just taking out color, adding in an adjective. And then this one, my father is not happy. Let's go to Carrie. Hi, Carrie.
Aloha. Aloha. My father is not happy. ʻAʻole hauʻoli ko'u makuakane.
Okay, good job. Okay, let's give a round of applause to everyone who translated. Good job. And I know if it's kind of confusing because you kind of forget stuff, no worries. We'll be going over some more review probably throughout the class with our new lesson, which let's get into right now. And this is my favorite lesson. It's about food. It's about MEAʻAI. So I hope you mind repeating after me. NΑ MEAʻAI. NΑ MEAʻAI. Okay, so MEAʻAI means food. Mea means thing. I means to eat. So thing that we eat. Also, while we're on it, drink is mea inu. So mea means thing. Inu means to drink. So the thing that we drink. Okay, so we're just gonna start off with the ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻu that, you know, we always start off with the ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻu, and this week is Mahalo I ka mea loaʻa. So if you can just hope you might repeat after me. Let's have Pamela. Can you hope you might with your mic? Mahalo I ka mea loaʻa.
Mahalo I ka mea loaʻa.
Okay, so good. That means thank you. Be thankful for what you have, and I'm sure everyone's mother or father told you this. When you're like, I want McDonald's. And they said, no, be thankful for what you have. You're having sandwiches. Okay. Who else's mother? Oh, no, just me? Is that on? Okay. Good. So what does this ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻu mean to you? If you can type that in the chat. And I'll probably call on a few of you to, yeah, count your blessings. Exactly. That's another, that's a little bit nicer than you're eating sandwich. Just started, so if my power goes out, it won't. But if it does, have a good day. Okay, good. Tammy, if you can read yours, please.
This ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻA means to me, and repetitiously repeated by my parents, is to be always grateful for your blessings.
Mahalo. Thank you. Oh, Barbara, if you can read yours, it's really nice. Barbara.
This Barbara?
Sorry, DeBarish.
I forgot what I said. I think it's like cherish the relationships and people and activities and things in your life.
Yeah. And then, yeah, don't grumble for more. Great. And then let's jump to Pumohala. Yes, that's what my mom said too.
Yes, always. This isn't a restaurant. Eat what I make for you. Be happy.
Yeah, this isn't a restaurant. Thank you. Okay, good. So let's jump into our lesson. All right, so we're just going to jump into vocab. Probably one of my favorite parts just because, you know, these are things that you can use every day, this kind of vocabulary. You know, you can just say, oh, let's go buy some pie, you know, say the Hawaiian word instead. Yeah? Why is this? Okay, so I'm going to highlight like how we normally do. I'm going to highlight the object and you're going to try and guess using the word. Okay? So let's start right here. What do you think that is? You can try and give me your Hawaiian guess. In
Oma, we're not seeing your...
Oh, thank you. There you go. Gracias, Pamela. Okay, so right here, what is that? It might help if you know the animal that was then cooked, then yeah. Good. Okay, good. Kamai Olu, what is your guess?
Kamoa palai.
Moa palai. So moa meaning chicken, palai kind of sounds like it. It's a transliterated word for fry, so fried chicken. Okay, makes sense? All right. And that's actually the thing for a lot of these words. So a lot of them are transliterated from the English to Hawaiian, meaning that, you know, it sounds very similar in English and Hawaiian. So here's an example. Try guess this one. Look at the words and see which one kind of sounds like it in English. There, yeah, exactly. Okay, good. I'm gonna call on Amanda. Oh, A. Peters.
Kahamapuka?
Exactly, good. So you see how it's hamburger, hamapuka, kind of similar, yeah? All right, another one, transliterated. Let's try this one. Think of it as the whole thing, like the whole, not just the piece. Yeah, good. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna call on Jason. What is your guess for that?
Pai pika.
Good, pai pika. So yeah, again, it sounds like it. And I was saying think of the whole thing because pie could be like the pie, P-I-E, pizza pie. Yeah. So pai pika. That's where they got that from. Okay, speed round. Let's jump here. Good. Yeah, another kind of similar to what you see in English. Davey, what did you get?
Kapakeki.
Yeah, everyone repeat after me. Pakeki, pakeki, spaghetti, pakeki. Okay, and you know what? Just everyone, I'll highlight it and just turn on your mic and say your guess. Ready? Here we go, right here.
Waiupa'a. That is so funny.
Right. Right. So
stop the milk.
So I heard ʻIʻopalai, which, you know, pipi palai, that could work, but no. So it's going to be waiupa'a. So waiu meaning milk, pa'a meaning hard. So hard milk is cheese. Okay? So that's how we got that. Yeah, made from the milk. Exactly. Firm milk. That sounds so weird, but yeah. Okay, here's another easy one, maybe. Ready?
Ke kanoika.
Good job, the three of you. Good. Okay, so kanawika sandwich. That may be kind of weird too, but kanawika, ihopimai, kanawika, kanawika. Okay, and I'll just give you the next two. So we have pipi palai, so fried beef or fried cow would be our steak. Same how we see palai over here, yeah, palai, palai. And which means this one is nāʻAukake, which I don't know how that word got for sausage or hot dog, but another word, Carly likes to say it. Carly, what is your word for hot dog, please?
I didn't know that I had one.
Yeah, wasn't it you? Like literal hot dog.
Like Ilio Bella?
Ilio
Bella
Vela.
Ilio?
Ilio Vela, yeah. So that's, I guess maybe it wasn't you. But yeah, you can use either or, nāʻAukake or Ilio Vela. My personal preference is Ilio Vela. So yeah.
Hey, Kumu.
Yo.
What would be the word for vegetarian or vegan? Just curious.
Yeah, there is a word, and it's hamulau, I think. Hamulau.
HAMULAU.
Hamulau. It's a new word. So lau means vegetables or like plants. So hamulau. Hey, do we have any vegans up in here? Or vegetarian?
Part-time.
Part-time.
So wait, so then how would you say like ka hamulau pakeki? Is that what you would say, or would it go after?
You would go after. So ka pakeki hamulau. Yeah, good.
Mahalo.
So Kavix wrote hamulau ole, which means he's not a vegetarian. So I guess that's his new word for carnivore. So yeah. All right.
There's another question about are all cheeses called waiupa'a or are just hard cheeses? Because there's like soft cheeses, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. I think it's all, just because it's, you know, it's saying that the milk is made more firm. So even though it's soft or hard, then it's still more firm than the liquid milk. So yeah, good question. And I think we're gonna get into butter too. Oh no, we're not. So butter is waiupaka. Waiupaka, and then milk is waiupa'a. So if that comes in handy. All right, so here's our question, and we had this question before with our colors. Instead of saying mea'ai, we said waiholu. So he aha kāu waiholu punahele. But now we're gonna switch the waiholu and put in mea'ai. So let's all say the question together. Repeat after me. E hope you might. He aha kāu.
He aha kāu.
Mea'ai punahele.
Mea'ai punahele.
Mahalo Tobias. Okay, thank you. So what is your favorite food? An easy, yes, because we did this last week. So it's how we answered our color. We said o ka blank kāu waiholu punahele. We're just changing out waiholu with mea'ai. Okay, so if you guys can please answer that. He aha kāu mea'ai punahele, and then we'll get into the asking and answering. Yeah, if you don't know your food yet, you can type it in English. It's totally fine. Good. Dale, we're twins, Dale. It's my favorite food too, Dale.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna call on Nancy Lorenz. He aha kāu mea'ai punahele.
O ka wai ʻŌPaʻa kāʻu mea ʻai punahele.
Okay, great. Can you ask Karen?
Hey Karen, he aha kāu mea ʻai punahele.
O ka poke kāʻu mea ʻai punahele.
Yes. Okay, and Karen, can you ask Jamie?
Hey Jamie, he aha kāu mea ʻai punahele.
O ka French fries kāʻu mea ʻai punahele.
Yummy. And then if you can ask, who didn't get to go yet? Salinas.
Salinas. E aha kāu mea ʻai punahele.
O ka pakeki kāʻu mea ʻai punahele.
Okay, and Salinas, if you can ask everyone.
Everyone, he aha kāu mea ʻai punahele.
ʻOLELO kāʻu mea ʻai
Ke kokoleki
ʻai punahele.
Ooh, I'm so hungry now. Ooh, thanks. Okay, good. So keep that in mind for as we come on to our breakout rooms. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have you guys do 2 of these, and these are all examples from the words that we had before. So just choose maybe 1 English and 1 Hawaiian, and see if you guys can give me the translation. Don't need to do this one up here because everyone knows that one already because we just asked that. So yeah, try to see what you guys can get with 1 Hawaiian and 1 English. So, o ka nāʻau kake ka umea ai punahele. O ke kanawika ka umea ai punahele. My favorite food is steak and my favorite food is cheese. Easy stuff, hopefully.
Kumo, how you say cheeseburger?
Yes. Was that Angels? I think I put, oh, yeah. So, hamapuka waiupa. You got that, Angel?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Was there any others? Sushi. I don't know if there's a translation. Kokoleka. Squid luau. So,
Kumu?
yes.
What's the Hawaiian word for brownie?
Good. Okay. Yeah, that was just good. I just saw that one too. So, palauni. I'll type it in. Yeah, so that's another transliterated, yeah. So brownie, palauni. When I was younger, I used to call it maku'es. You know, because maku'e means brown. So I was just like, oh, maku'es. Give me some maku'es. But it didn't really catch on, obviously. So, yeah.
Did anyone scold you or like correct you or no? It was like correct, or you could use that.
Was I corrected? I mean, no, because I only told that to like my family, so they were like, no, it's called brownies. So yeah. I was like, thanks for crushing my dreams, fam. But yeah, whatever. Okay, so calling on Tan L. Tan L, if you can please read the Hawaiian and your translation for the first one. Hello, sorry. Maybe the mic's not working. Okay, I'm gonna jump to another one. I'm gonna ask Melissa and Azare, if you can read one of yours.
Oh, oka moa kolea kāʻu mea ʻai punahele.
Oh, okay. No, that's the one you created. So perfect. I'm guessing Korean chicken. Is that what? Good. I'm gonna jump to Po Mohala. If you can read the English one or the one you translated. This one. Sorry, Po Mohala.
My favorite food is a sandwich.
Yeah. So my favorite food is a sandwich. And let's just do one more. We got it. Sorry. Lena, if you can do one of the English ones. Maybe this one.
O ka waiupa'a, ka ʻumeaʻai punahele.
So cheese is my favorite food. Okay, good. We're gonna do another round of this, and I'm gonna do this a little bit different. So we're just gonna go like this. So I'm gonna have you guys number 1 through 8, and then in the chat you're gonna guess. Just say so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so kind of like a quiz, I guess. And whoever gets it right, all right first, gets a prize. Ready, go. Not Erika, not Carly, not Lena Ala, not Tammy. You guys know this already. Tammy.
Pamela, it's your time to shine.
Not Pamela. Not Kabag Bag. Nah, just kidding. Okay. Ooh, interesting. Okay, Kristen. 3 out of 8. Ooh, this one's pretty hard, maybe. Oh, Barbara, I see what you did there. One's wrong. Couple are wrong. Kaviks, no, not you. You cheat. Hamula ole. Billy. Billy. I think Billy got it, everyone. Okay, Billy, can you read, please? Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Kalamai.
So what is this one?
Kameaʻai kepani.
Yeah. So bento, Japanese food.
Bento, yeah. Kameaʻai oh no, the next one is pake. Oh, all of a sudden I went kaimine.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Kaimine.
Stress. Now I appreciate my kids. Kameaʻai pake.
Good. So Chinese food, everyone's favorite.
Yeah. Kapipiku. No. Oh my God, now I'm sweating here.
Oh, okay, what? I'm gonna give that to you because it is kind of it does look kind of weird. So this is what is actually soup.
Soup. Kamea.
Yeah.
Mahalo.
So this is going to be beef stew. Okay. This one.
Kameaʻai Mexico.
Yeah.
Kalauʻai.
Yeah. Salad.
And kameaʻai kini.
Good job. Canned food.
Canned food.
Thank you. Okay, so I'll send you two of these stickers.
Oh.
ʻAʻA ʻOLELO Hawaiʻi. So,
yay! Mahalo.
From Kanaka Print, so mahalo.
Love
Okay,
it.
good. So now you have 8 more foods. If you want to screenshot this, you can screenshot it. If it's going to help you later on. But I know many of you are taking notes, so good job. Okay, so this next question, kind of similar to what our favorite food is, but we're just going to go a little bit further, kind of like this would, if that was the first year, the beginner way of asking what's your favorite food, this would be the second year way of asking your favorite food. Okay, so this is going to be the sentence is going to be make oi. So make meaning like make oi I ka mea ai hea. Make oi I ka mea ai hea. A little bit tricky, so let's try it with me. Make oi.
Make oi. Oh, sorry.
Mea ai hea.
I ka mea ai hea. Good. So what food do you like? Okay, and the easy part about it is all you gotta do is makeo e something. Okay, makeo e, but don't forget to put ka or ke. Makeo e ka mea'ai kepani. Makeo e ke kupa. Makeo e ka lau'ai. Okay. So how about everyone choose one of these foods up here, and that will be one of your answers. So all you're literally doing is taking the food name, whatever's in that box, and putting it after makeo e. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. So again, try and use these words like in your everyday, and that's how you're gonna normalize these things, yeah? Because I mean, we all gotta eat, so you can just say, "Hey, let's go get some kaimine," or "Let's go to buy mea'ai pake," and that's how you can start teaching your family and normalizing it in your life and in your household, yeah. Okay, so using these examples, I'm gonna call on Heather. He aha or makemake oi I ka mea'ai hea.
Makemake au I ka mea'ai pake.
Okay. Can you ask let's jump to Brenda Lee.
Brenda Lee, makemake oi I ka mea'ai hea.
Makemake au I ka mea'ai Mexico.
Okay, and if you can ask Christy Aki.
Christy, makemake oi I ka mea'ai hea.
Makemake au I ka mea'ai kepani.
Good. And then if you can ask everyone.
Everyone, makemake oi I ka mea'ai hea.
Makemake oi I
kepani.
Beautiful. Okay, good. All right, so I'm never going to get over that. All right, so here. These sentences, they're going to be in the lesson, so I don't want to spend too much time on this because you guys they're pretty easy to translate and do on your own. But let's jump to our next part. My personal favorite is ʻONO. So ʻONO are your desserts, okay? So you may think, like, why is it called ʻONO? You know, mea meaning thing, ono meaning delicious. I mean, I don't know why they chose that word for dessert, but that's what they chose. One of the things I would have chose was mea'ai momona, because momona means fat, but it also means sweet. So sweet food would have been a good one. So yeah. Okay. All right. Let's do. Yeah, let's just do the call. So I'll point it, and then everyone just turn on your mic and take your guess. Okay, ready? Right here.
Ke kokoleka.
Kokoleka.
So
Kokoleka.
a little bit like chocolate. Yeah. Okay. Then let's jump to this one, another easy one.
Cookie.
Kokoleka.
Oh, I heard someone say cookie. That's a good. Chocolate cookie. Okay, here, I've heard this word before. Okay, right here.
Kekoneko.
Another easy one.
Papai.
Hardest one.
Mochi.
Yeah, I looked at it and that's what I had. Mochi with the coffee. Yeah. Right here.
Kalima.
Yeah. Okay, and then here. ʻONO.
Really? That's interesting.
Yeah. So this is dessert again, but this is another word for cake. That was the only word that was in the dictionary for cake. So yeah, there you go.
Ekumu.
Yes.
Why is it kamochi when we don't have CH together?
Yeah, so some of the words in the dictionary, they chose to put like with the English consonants, and this is one of them. We could have definitely called it moki. I think that could have been the transliterated, but I don't know. I don't question that. When I see it in the dictionary, I'm like, okay, it must be right. But yeah. Okay, I think good question though. Okay, jumping to our next kind of question answer, and I know we have a lot, but these are all good, yeah, because you probably ask these questions a lot. So a great question to ask your significant other. He aha kāu ʻONO. He aha kāu ʻONO. E hoʻopili mai. He aha kāu ʻONO. Okay, so ʻONO means delicious, but it also shows your craving or what you know how many families go, what you ʻONO for, or that kind of thing. If you live in Hawaii, you get that a lot. What you ʻONO for? So he aha kāu ʻONO. What are you craving? Okay, and another easy one, kind of like make. Instead of saying make, you're gonna say ʻONO wau I ka whatever. Okay, ʻONO wau I ka something. So I am craving blah 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 blah. Okay, so maybe choosing one of the desserts up here. Everyone choose a dessert. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and I'll type it in over here. Good. And if you want to change it up, you can. So Tammy said ʻONO wau I ka custard pie, which works. Nilina said ʻONO wau I ke kuki kokoleka. How would you say, type this in, how would you say chocolate cake? So you're going to say noun, then cake, then chocolate. So how would you say chocolate cake? Good. So Mahalo, one more time. You're going to do cake, then chocolate. Okay? Yeah, good. Oh. Oh, NāʻAʻA. NāʻAʻA, read yours and see if they get it.
ʻOno au I ka pai palaʻai a custard ma Kaneʻohe Bakery.
Rest in peace. Kaneʻohe Bakery. Okay, good.
Custard.
Yeah, pumpkin custard.
During Thanksgiving, they do a special where they have like a half custard, half pumpkin pie. So it's like layered and it's fantastic. We would get it every year for Thanksgiving. And now I'm just sad.
And they're closing down at the end of the month. So that's why we said rest in peace. Okay, so I'm going to call on some people. Davey, he aha kāu ʻONO. Sorry, Davey. Yeah.
Sorry. ʻOno au I kokoleka haukalima. Chocolate ice cream?
So ice cream, then chocolate. Try.
Oh, okay. Haukalima kokoleka.
Yeah, good. If you can call on Kabag Bag.
Kabag Bag. He aha kāu ʻONO.
ʻOno au I ke kokoleka.
Okay, and if you can call on Namiko Hayashi.
Aloha Namiko Koyashi. He aha kāu ʻOno.
ʻOno au I mea ʻono.
Yeah, nice. And if you can ask everyone.
Everyone, he aha kāu ʻono. He aha kāu ʻono.
Haukalima kokoleka.
Good job, everyone. Okay, so I think the last two, maybe I'll have you guys do these on your own with the lesson. There's a lot more vocabs that you guys, could use. But I'm gonna jump to this one, this sentence. And it's going to be He aha kāu e ʻaine. So that's why I asked you to bring some food or drink to kind of show, when we do our breakout rooms or right now. So if everyone can hold up your food. So this is asking, what are you currently eating? Or a food. These are some cookies from Lehua Kimura in Yapana. Mahalo Lehua for my cookie ʻONO. Erika, Jason literally just grabbed the ginger and he's gonna eat the ginger. Erika.
I saw that, but I was gonna let it go.
Oh shoot, I should have
I
let it.
made soup.
Okay, so He aha kāu e ʻaine. What are you currently eating? Kind of like He aha kāu ʻONO, but what are you eating now? And this is kind of, this concept may be tricky, e ʻaine, which we'll get to, but I figured just introduce it to you, and that's how you'll learn through osmosis. So here's the answer. Ke ʻaine au I, and then put in whatever you're doing. So what are you currently eating? And if you don't know it in Hawaiian, again, just put it in English, okay? Carly. Memories. Ooh, wait. Look at this Kulolo ice cream up in here, Lena. Oh, that one, yes, that's delicious. Okay, good. Good job. So, Kiani, He aha kāu e ʻaine.
Ke ʻaine au I ke kuki kokoleka.
If you can ask Deborah M. Javon.
Aloha e Deborah. He aha kāu e ʻaine.
Deborah.
Ke ʻaine au I kanake.
Kanake. Okay. Okay, and if you can ask, this would be the next one. Let's go to Barbara Underwood.
Hey, Barbara Underwood. He aha kāu e ʻaine.
Oh, ke ʻaine au I nā palena or palena.
Biscuits or crackers? Crackers?
Yes.
Okay. And if you can ask everyone.
Okay, everyone. Okay, kākou. He aha kāu I ʻaine.
Ke ʻaine au aloha, like gummy bears
Berries and cream.
Take a bite because you're eating it, yeah? Yum. Eat that ginger, Jason. Delicious. Okay, good. We can also get into inune, but I'm just going to have you guys do that on your own, I guess. Nah, we like drinks. We love food. We love drinks. So let's do drinks. Okay, so let's do this real fast. Lori Lyon, you want to take a guess at this? So look at the color. That color might help you.
Kawai leme.
Okay, one more time. So am I sharing? Oh yeah. So you see the color is oma or it's green.
Oh, yeah, it is green. Okay,
Yeah.
Ki
Yeah. So green tea. Yeah. Everyone should know this because we went over it with the cheese. So what is this? Turn on your mic.
Kawaiu.
Oh, it looks like water. Wait, let me look good. It's milk.
Okay. Over here, let's call on.
Come on.
I think I guess. Angel Bolton, you want to guess this hot beverage right here?
Is it ke koloaka?
Okay, that's a guess. Yep, it's a good guess. Kope is actually.
Ah.
Coffee, kope, yeah, kind of similar. Vai, everyone knows vai is water, so that's water right here. And I'll just, I'll give you the rest. So we have up here, we have kolowaka, kind of sounds like soda, or what is the word it's supposed to be?
Coca-Cola, yeah?
Yeah, Coca-Cola. Good, thank you. So Coca-Cola, kolowaka. I just put a lemon here for vailemi, which is lemonade.
Hawaiian.
Vailemi. Okay, you have vaiho'ai, juice, fruit juice specifically. And this is a good one. Most people, when you say cheers in Hawaiian, people think it's okole maluna, which do not ever say ever, because okole literally means not butt, it means anus. So,
butthole?
Yeah, oh yeah. So that's what you're saying. So don't say
doesn't that company wet okole, doesn't that mean wet butthole?
Yeah, pretty much. I'll be editing this part out, so thanks. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, kamau kiaha. Everyone, I hope you didn't mind. Kamau kiaha. If you have a drink, let's do a virtual cheers. And go kamau kiaha.
Kamau kiaha.
Yeah. So try and practice that rather than
Kamau kiaha.
I've been cheering to anuses. Oh my God, what's going on with this class? I brought that upon myself, so yeah. I'll take full credit for that. Okay, so answering. He aha kāu inune. What are you drinking? Okay, same kind of concept as the first part. So ke inune au I something. So what are you guys drinking currently? Be truthful. Everyone's putting vai. I don't think that's really water in your cup. I do not think that's really water in your cup. Oh, why not? There you go. Who's that? Pukau. Wine and ice cream. Okay. All right. So we're currently at 7:33. Perfect timing. If you gotta go, we'll see you guys next week. Erika, if you can send it one more time for me, please. Look at her. Just send them. Thank you, Erika. Okay, so that takes us to our breakout room. So you guys see there's some questions that we have, and then some questions that we didn't get to go over, but hopefully you guys can use that in your breakout rooms when we open it. So again, just facilitating yourselves, making sure everyone gets to talk, and maybe use the questions that I put in and ask them. Don't just answer. Don't just say your answer. Maybe actively ask and engage with each other, okay? And yeah, it should be fun. So ahuiho to everyone who's leaving. See you guys next time. Please sign up for next class if you can, and I'll open up the room. So you guys can go, have fun, have a virtual potluck, whatever you want to do. You guys all got invited yet? I know sometimes it's kind of a while. Elon, you got invited. Well, let me check. You should be.
If you accidentally X'd out of it, it might be in the bottom right corner, like when you hover over, there's like a leave button, and there should be like a blue one that says join breakout room.
Yeah, I'm gonna move you to another one, maybe that'll help. So I'll move you to 2. There. Oh, okay, there. She got it. Did she? I don't know. She left?
Yeah, I think she got it. I'm not sure. If she shows up in the room.
Nora Kili Ula Ula. Punahele.
Red chili.
Yeah, so we were trying to ask what is your favorite kind of chili, because she is the expert.
Oh. So, chili peppers.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's another word that maybe you heard ni'oi. I don't know if you heard that before. Ni'oi
Ni'oi.
is more the Hawaiian chili pepper, but we kind of use it for all peppers, kind of. So, yeah.
Okay.
Ni'oi. Because we have our own, chili pepper water. That's
Yeah.
ni'oi, water, chili pepper. Yeah.
Water. Okay.
Good job.
I can ask again. Angel. Make oi e ai I ke aha.
Kole maluna.
Make o e ai I ke aha.
Let's see. Make au I ka green beans.
A papa.
That's your favorite food?
I love anything green. All vegetables equally.
Wow.
So, what was the salad? What was
What's up, Kumu?
Lau'ai, sorry. But are you vegetarian, Karen? Are you hamulau?
I am not. But I just love vegetables.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Kumu.
Yes.
How would you say pescatarian? Like that, someone who eats seafood and vegetables, but pescatarian.
Yeah.
Or is it complicated?
Well, I don't know, but I'm just gonna say because hamulau would be vegetarian, yeah. So I'm gonna say hamulau me ia. I'll write that in. So hamulau me ia. So I'm a vegetarian with fish. Like if that makes sense.
Yeah. I know you really can't say that, but I understand.
Yeah.
Hamulau me ia.
Me ia. I think it should have went in the chat.
Yeah. Yeah, it's seafood then. I assume.
Yeah.
Okay. Mahalo. Me ia.
Okay. Okole maluna. Bye.
Bye.
No, I was going to ask you, but...
Please.
Yeah, Lilina, he aha kāu e inu nei?
Ke inu nei au I ka wai hui hui.
Ko'ara. Okole maluna.
No! Heva! Kamo ki aha.
You got me.
And amigo.
Hi.
Ke inu nei au Ike, I'm going to guess kokoleka vela. That's my guess for hot chocolate.
Nice. Okole maluna.
Let's see. Aloha kumu.
Aloha.
Leina ala, he aha kāu e inu nei.
ʻAʻole au e inu nei. I am not drinking anything.
E aha kāu ʻONO is what are you craving? And then
I'm earned.
Make, what do you like? It's what do you like, right?
We can ask Kumu.
Yeah, what food do you like? Make is what do you like?
Yeah.
So what are you craving and then what do you like? So make oi I ka meaʻai. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so make au I don't know. Pie. Get that right?
Yeah. You're gonna say kāpai. So
kāpai.
Yeah.
Can I ask what is? Oh.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. What is Diet Coke? We're trying to figure out how do you say.
I'm like, oh, I love Diet Coke, but I don't know how to say.
Yeah. Okay. So diet is ho'okai mea'ai, I think.
Oh gosh, that's long.
A little bit harder. So, we'll just say kolowaka.
Kolowaka.
Yeah, and we'll say, yeah, hamulao. We'll do vegetarian Coke. No, I don't know. Vegetarian doesn't work here, so you know what? I'll get back to you. Let me go look in my dictionary. I'll go look.
Okay, thank you. Mahalo.
Kumu, is it really true that Kaneohe Bakery is going to close at the end of the month?
The end of the month, so that's why they have lines back for days over there.
That's devastating.
Right?
I didn't know that. Are they just going to close down temporarily, or is that?
Oh, them and Love's Bakery is closing.
Oh,
I know.
Devastating. Oh my goodness.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, bye, Merns.
Yeah, bye, Merns. He aha kāu ʻONO chantilly cake from Kaneohe Bakery. ʻOno ʻAʻA ika chantilly cake.
How would
I say that? Wait, from chantilly cake from Kaneohe Bakery.
Yeah, my Kaneohe Bakery, yeah.
My Kaneohe Bakery, okay.
ʻOno ʻAʻA ika mea ʻono chantilly, my Kaneohe Bakery, yeah.
My Kaneohe Bakery.
Good. Maybe I'll introduce that when we get back. But we'll see.
Yes. Yes.
Cool.
Okay.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Aloha.
Hello.
Okay, bye.
And we're.
Ow.
Okay. Good job, everyone. Ready. If you guys can turn off your mics when you guys get back in. I know, too short. Sorry. Well, good. You guys are going, trying new things. Someone asked me what Diet Coke was. I have no idea. So, I mean, yeah, even I'm going to learn something. So, thank you for those questions. Merns, Lilia had a question. She was like, Kumu, how would you say I like chantilly cake from Kaneohe Bakery? Okay, so, and that's great. And that's actually really easy. All we'd have to do is say my and then restaurant. How do you spell restaurant? Place. Okay, so my place. So if I wanted to say I like fried chicken from Popeyes, okay? So you would say I'm craving fried chicken from Popeyes. ʻOno au I ka moa palai mai Popeyes. Okay, does that make sense? I just wanted to introduce to you guys before we head out. Okay, good. Alrighty. Let's share screen, share things. Okay, so good job with the breakouts. Anyone want to volunteer to read their answers or to get grilled right now in Hawaiian? No one. Anyone? Catherine Upton wants to.
I do. I forget what I said.
Nah, no worries. I'll put them on the screen if that helps. Okay.
Yeah.
So right here. He aha kāu meaʻai PUNAHELE.
Okay. O ke kaimine kāu meaʻai PUNAHELE.
Right.
Makemake au I ke lauʻai, I ka lauʻai or lauʻai. He aha kāu ʻono au I ke kupa.
Yeah.
We kind of didn't do that one. We were talking about that at the end, the difference between that question and the makemake.
Yeah, there's not really, it's just a more descriptive or detailed question, so we can skip that. Yeah, totally fine.
Ke ai nei au I ka ipuhaole. And ke inu nei au I ka wai.
Good job. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you. Oh yeah, if you can email me or send me your address, I'll send you some stickers too. So thank you. I forget. Who won the other stickers? Oh, Billy. Is Billy still here? Billy, if you can send your address. She left. Oh, sorry, Billy, no stickers. Okay. Alrighty. So yeah, good job everyone. You have some ha'avina, the flip grid, which you guys can look at. If Erika, if you can send it one more time for me, please. Also happy to announce we have these new ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO Actions of Aloha cards, which are, you know, if you're a beginner ʻŌLELO Hawaii learner like you folks, these would be good to practice every day. Phrases like have a nice day, or you look beautiful today, that you can incorporate and normalize Hawaiian within your ohana. That's another one. Our next class is on Thursday, March 11th, and that's going to be about mahalo, or being thankful and showing our appreciation to other people. Because we're kind of following last year's schedule, so I think around that time would have been Thanksgiving. So, yeah. But yeah, thank you everyone for another great class. And if you have questions, please stay behind. If not, papa. I'll be singing a song, if you want to stay, that I feel everyone in Hawaii kind of should be familiar with or know. Hopefully you know this verse. She will make the beach stew heavy on the extra salad juice, cook rice on the hamburger one, hot dog, kimchi, chilla, pepper, water, ahule, maki, maki, sand. Up it all off, it's a heap of my joy. El pato, mito, ito, demonia. Aju, amana pua, bebe, au, okole. Ahi ono no. Ahi ono, ono, ono. Ahi ono no. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Umikuma valo. My bad. Thank you, Carrie.
Aloha.
Oh, no.
Hello.
I only know one song.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Virtual tip.
Okay, we need a hana hula. Who gonna dance hula?
Oh yeah, and I just called Papa earlier.
Okay, NāʻAI, can you dance?
Dance what? I'm tapped out. I did every song I know off the top of my head in all of the classes.
Okay, well, I'll just sing a song and actually, here, maybe no need dance. This is my favorite song in the entire world. That's too high. This is my favorite song. Oh, Kaleo Hano Ka'umele Punahele. Hey, how are you?
Hey,
okay,
well, you oh my God. Here, I papa. Oh my God.
My ka'i, yeah, my ka'i. I'm still getting used to it.
Oh no, my God, yeah.
One of my homana from Kamehameha, current senior. Aloha. Okay.
Mahalo. Mahalo po.
Mahalo, everyone.
Aloha.
Oh, do you know the lily of London?
Hello.
Which one? Which lily of London? That's mine. Okay then. Kuiho, Salinas.
Ahoy, mahalo nui.
Oh, mahalo, Selena.
Malama pono.
Very cool. Thanks for joining us. Berta, you were able to get into the Google Classroom. Okay. Mahalo ki hui ana. Hui ho, Carrie. Aloha. Just hit it. Which lily usang?
Anyone.
Oh, yeah. Okay, next class. Next class, Ken.
Mahalo nui, aloha ahi ahi kākou, malama pono, ahui ho.
Ahui ho.